Warwick is based in the beautiful region of Stellenbosch in South Africa. We specialise predominantly in Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc. We also do lovely Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blancs and a variety of other wines.
We produce our wines at different production facilities, and then we have to move the wines to different warehouses. The way that Business Central helps us is to keep control of the stock movements to avoid massive discrepancies at month end, but also to assist us with the traceability of the product.
And there's never really been software that allows a seamless integration between the different third-party softwares. An accounting side, so from an accounting point of view, we want to know the cost. From a winemaker's point of view, they're only really interested in the actual quantity.
They were running multiple disparate systems. Front of house software, winery software.
There are a few different softwares that are used within the cellar just to manage the stock, the bulk wine, the costing, all of those.
There was no integration between any of these systems. Data was stored in multiple areas. We implemented Business Central, integrated into all the other systems, and now we have one central store of data.
Business Central we use for quite a few of the different areas. There are lots of modules that we don't necessarily use yet, but the main ones would be the financial side of things, the reporting side, and being able to integrate your accounting package with third-party software was pivotal for me in terms of why we chose BC. The transparency of the cost of a product has definitely helped us. We're able to identify areas where we potentially are inefficient in the costing.
We need to be able to trace the stock back from shelf to production, and Business Central really helps us to do that.
With the guys at Linc, BC has a whole lot of customizable different tables they can use and make our systems that we already have in place work together with the new system.
With Business Central, Microsoft has made it extremely easy for us to extend the system. With the cloud version of Business Central, deployment to our customers has become very easy.
The system is always accessible, it's always on, it's always up to date.
With the implementation of BC, we are able to pull a lot more reports and we're able to see patterns within customer behavior. With that, our logistics team are able to follow up with our export customers, our clients, which make it great from a production side. So now we're preempting what the customer is going to be ordering in the next week or two, the next month. We're able to then take that all the way down to the production side and start that production, as opposed to having to produce and sell immediately and everything's a scramble.
It's user-friendly, it's easy to use, it's quick and very functional.
Being able to plan, I think, efficiently has been one of the biggest advantages that we've had with BC.